Here I have Google Pixel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the display section, and here you can find an option night light. You can switch it here, you can change its intensity, and you can set up a schedule for this feature. You can set it on your custom time. Here you can set up start time, end time, and you can also just set it from sunset to sunrise. And you can also switch this feature here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.